Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So as you guys all love my skincare content, so I have decided to share something very close to my heart, and that is my top 5 favorite sunscreens that I personally used and trusted. So in this video, I'm gonna list all these sunscreens. Let me show you first. I'm gonna list all these sunscreens in descending order, and yeah, please make sure that you watch this video till the end in order not to miss my absolute favorite one. So with that being said, let's just quickly start our video. Alright, so at number 5, I have this sunscreen from Ecologica. It's the Dewy sunscreen with SPF 50 PA 4 times plus. So it has very good sun protection, and I love the glow this sunscreen gives after using. And the texture of the sunscreen is a little thick. Its consistency is a little thicker comparatively to the Dot & Geese one. You can use this sunscreen under your makeup. I love the glow this sunscreen gives after using. It's give that dewy type of look. And but I also feel like this sunscreen might not suit on the people who have a very oily skin. It will be the best option for the people who are having a normal to dry skin. So that's like my opinion. So yeah, this is my 5th favorite sunscreen. So moving ahead with our next sunscreen, at number 4 I have this Eclipse Solar tinted sunscreen, and you guys also saw me testing this sunscreen. I put this sunscreen, went under the sun for a good number of hours, and there it performed good. So like I have mentioned the con about this sunscreen as well in this video, but here I'm going to talk about only the positive things. I'm gonna brief you about the negative thing as well, but in detail if you want to know, then you can watch this video. So this sunscreen doesn't leave white cast at all because of the tint it has. It gives like the tint in the sunscreen gives that sheer coverage. You can use the sunscreen in your no makeup days when you wanna have very minimal makeup on your skin. So on those days you can use this tinted sunscreen, and you guys have asked for the review of this sunscreen. I have made 2 videos on that, and here I'm listing the sunscreen at number 4 because this is the best tinted sunscreen I have used till now. I have also shared my experience with you with the tinted sunscreen. Basically, tinted sunscreens are not my cup of tea, but this is a sunscreen that I have loved. This is the best tinted sunscreen among all the sunscreens I have used, like the tinted sunscreens. So I really have a very bad experience with tinted sunscreen, but this sunscreen did not disappoint me to that extent. You can use this sunscreen in your minimal makeup look. I have this sunscreen from Dot & Key. This sunscreen will be a game changer for you if you have a very sensitive or like an acne prone skin with a very good sun protection. It has SPF 50 PA 4 times plus, so it really has a very good protection. I have used this sunscreen on an irritated skin, and it did not cause any further irritation on my skin, and the texture of this sunscreen is very watery. It's like it's a water light fluid sunscreen, so it flows like a water on your skin, and very easy to blend. It does not give white cast. So this is my 3rd favorite sunscreen. My 2nd favorite is this sunscreen from Euderma only. It's their Eclipse sunscreen. It's a simple variant. It's not a tinted sunscreen. I have also made a dedicated video on this sunscreen as well, and this is my 3rd purchase. It's like it's non-sticky, and it blends like a dream. If you want that fuzz free with a premium feel look, then this one is for you. It gives very satin type of finish, and it doesn't leave white cast. Maybe if you'll see, then you just wait for a few seconds and it will get absorbed into your skin. So this was my favorite sunscreen until I found my first one, and that is this sunscreen. And this is from, like, this is True Derma sunscreen. I know what has happened with these stickers, and see, this sunscreen has silicones, yet this is my absolute favorite because while using this sunscreen I don't need any makeup. If you want no foundation makeup look, then this will be your absolute favorite one. Let me tell you all the positive things about this sunscreen, and this is the only sunscreen in which I can see no negative points. The first best thing about this sunscreen is that you don't need any foundation. You don't need to carry anything. You just apply this sunscreen after using moisturizer and you all are set. If you're going for an occasion, if you're going on a party, then only if you're a girl like me who likes no makeup look, and who always like to go very minimal on your makeup. So then this will be your absolute favorite sunscreen. Consistency of the sunscreen is a little thick. You have to give 1 to 2 minutes to this sunscreen in order to blend properly. And also it's water resistant. I have also done the testing of this sunscreen. It's water resistant, it's a gel sunscreen, it takes time to blend, but no worries, like it's so good. So you can ignore this, like you can give 2 minutes. Like I have no problem giving 2 minutes to this sunscreen. The only thing that made this sunscreen at number one is that it gives that matte look. I don't need to carry any foundation, any BB cream if I'm using this sunscreen. It brightens up your skin. It gives that glow. It gives that satin finish that you will absolutely love. Trust me, try this sunscreen on my recommendation. You'll absolutely gonna love this sunscreen. This is at rupees 800 or 900, and you'll not find this sunscreen on Nykaa or on Myntra. You have to order this sunscreen either from the other website, like from Clinically, or there are other websites as well. There you will find this sunscreen. I think you can find this sunscreen on Amazon. I have seen that. Yeah, okay, I'll put the links of all the sunscreens in the description box so you can check that. So yeah guys, this is my absolute favorite sunscreen. I've also done the testing. It's water resistant, it's sweat resistant, the consistency of the sunscreen is thick. It is my absolute favorite sunscreen till now. So yeah guys, that's all about the sunscreen. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried any of these sunscreen, or if you have any other opinions about any of these sunscreens. So these were my 5 favorite sunscreens. Let me know in the comment section which one have you tried, or which one you're planning to try next. And if you like my video, then you know what to do. You have to like to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share my video, because I'll bring such more beautiful content for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.